Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn at least $2 to $300 with your smartphone online without any investment, totally free, all for free. Okay, all you need to do is to come down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video, if you have never made money online before and you are watching my video for the first time, after watching this video you should be able to make money online with your smartphone. Okay, the minimum amount of money you can earn on this platform is $2. Okay, and then the highest amount you can earn, or more than, let's just say $300, that's 300 USDT, you can earn this money for free on this platform I'm going to show you in this very video. Okay, so come down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who will pick interest in joining this platform, I'm going to be leaving a WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. So if you're interested in joining this update, you can actually join our WhatsApp group, because that is where we have shared the link already. So if you're interested, you can join our WhatsApp group, and then you will also get the link to join as well. Okay, so but before I proceed, guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice, or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on how to make money online with your smartphone. So if you're interested in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on daily basis with money making updates. Now in this video, I'm also going to show you guys payment proof. As you all know, my name is Legit Boss. If I am doing something and I did not confirm that thing, I don't go into it. So I must be sure, 100% sure of that particular update I'm sharing before bringing it to YouTube here to my followers to see. Those who are interested will always join. Okay, I will show you guys payment proof in this very video. Okay, so make sure you're watching this video from beginning to the end. Now let's go into the platform. So the name of this platform is known as Concordia Free Pork. As you can see here, Concordia Free Pork. Now, what is this platform all about? This platform is a USDT earning platform where you can actually earn money simply by activating a free plan. Now, I am going to lay a disclaimer on this video. Okay, now when you sign up on this platform, the first thing you are required to do is to verify your email. So this is what they're going to show you to verify your email. So you click on verify your email, they're going to send you a code to your email address. Yeah, you can use the code to verify your account, activate your account, then your account become active. Okay, that is how you become a valid user of this platform. Take note. Okay, now when you register, now what are you going to do? Come to this three dots here, click on it, then you can see this place here, free plan. Click on free plan. Now we are talking about the 300 USDT. Now please take note, the 300 USDT are going to get. Now this is serious warning. This platform somehow requires someone to invest money. That's for those people who like to invest in platforms, but please do not invest. This is warning. This is warning from Legit Boss. Legit Boss is asking you not to invest. If you invest and you lose your money, I will not be held responsible for it. What we are after in this video is the free money they are giving. So that is what we are about. We are here to collect. So once we collect the free money, we will go our way. That is how we are doing it. Just like the way JMP is. We collect our free money, we will go our way. So we don't have business with their investment packages. What we are after is their free plan. So we make money from their free plan, and then we go our way. Please take note. This is warning. I am repeating this. I'm repeating myself again. Do not deposit any money into this platform. All you need to do is to earn their free USDT, withdraw it. That's all. As simple as that. Now, when you register finish, you come to this place here, activate a plan. You see this place here, activate a plan. Now, when you activate this plan, it's going to be earning 2 USDT daily for the next 14 days. Then after 14 days, you are going to reactivate it again. So that is how you will continue earning, until once it is $300, you can now withdraw it. Okay, but you can withdraw instant USDT, like I was saying when I was making this video. You can the minimum amount you can earn is 2 USDT to 300 USDT. That's the minimum amount I said you can earn, which is 2 USDT. I'll also explain to you guys how you can earn the 2 USDT and withdraw it instantly. And I believe that those watching this video, this update should favor you after watching this video if you follow the steps I'm showing you guys in this video. Okay, so you activate it, then after 14 days you reactivate it. Okay, so that is how you do it, guys. After 14 days, you reactivate it. Now, for you to earn this 2 USDT and withdraw it instantly, before I proceed, let me show you guys payment proof. Please take a look at your screen. I see payment proof. That's payment proof you are seeing. Like I said, any update I'm sharing and I have not confirmed payment, I don't share it. And this is free, okay? It is 100% free and 100% legit. The 100% legit is the free side though. I did not say the investment side. The investment side may be scam and they will scam you. So that is the reason why you don't have to put any money here. What you should be after is how you can collect that 300 USDT and go your way. As simple as that. So we don't have business with anything investment. We don't have any business with them. What we are after is the free USDT. I'm repeating myself. Please and please. I'm repeating myself. Do not invest. What we are after is what? The free USDT. Please take a look at your screen. Are you seeing the payment proof? That's the payment proof. Now, for you to earn this instant 2 USDT, what are we going to do? Come to this place here. You see this place here, referral link. Click on referral link. When you click on referral link, copy your link. Copy your link. See your link here. Copy your link. This is the link in our WhatsApp group. Copy your link. So now, anybody you invite on this platform, you'll be given 2 USDT. You'll be given 2 USDT. That 2 USDT is withdrawable. You can withdraw it and get paid instantly. Please take note. So imagine if you are inviting 2 people, you are getting how many USDT? 4 USDT. 3 people give you how many USDT? 6 USDT. So if you are hardworking, imagine when you refer like 10 people now to this platform, you already bag a lot of money. You refer like 20 people, we are talking about 50 USDT and above here. So that is it, guys. So this platform, and one thing about this platform, they are fresh. They newly launched this platform, and now we are early. So one thing you must know about this kind of platform is that they don't intend to last for long. So once they see that they start, their money start exhausted, they will just disappear. Okay, just like what is happening now on Bounty News. For those of you who are into Bounty News, okay. So that is it. Now, as soon as you get this update and you have interest on joining, this is the best time to join this platform. Okay. So if you want to make this money from this platform, this is the best opportunity for you. Okay. But if you're not interested, no problem. It's only made for those who are interested. So that's it, guys. So now, how do you withdraw this USDT you are going to earn? You see this option withdrawal. When you click on this option here to withdraw, then what they're going to ask you to provide is your what? Your USDT TRC20 address. So you can go to your Binance exchange, Bitgate. It could be Bybit. So you can copy the TRC20 address and then you put it here and withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. Please, the 2 USDT is the one for referring, but the one for 300 is the one you earn from this thing, from the activation of the plan every 14 days. So once that one complete that $300, you are able to withdraw it. So you withdraw it $300 and above for that one. But for now, as we speak, to earn faster now, all you need to do is to what? Invite your friends and family. People have already started looting this update, but I am not telling you guys to loot or not to loot. But the only thing I'll tell you guys is that the update is still fresh and new, and they're paying as time I was making this video. So you have the opportunity now if you are interested though. If you're not interested, no problem. You can just subscribe to this channel and then stay for more updates. Okay, so that is it, guys. So you can see your dashboard. So you activate it every 24 hours. Every 14 days you activate the free plan. So that is how this thing works, guys. It is totally free. Then if you have another question, kindly comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you for watching this video, and then don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this update with you, also share it with friends and family. Okay, use the share button to share this video, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.